you have to take out two shaft. You have to take out two shaft. Two plastic shaft of green color. Aditya sir, please take out two shaft. Okay, you can see my camera. This is the shaft which I am saying. First take out two motors, then two shaft, green color shaft. You can see my camera also. This is the shaft. Aditya sir, please take out shaft. Okay, so you have to take out these two shaft. Next component is take out four wheel. Take out four wheel. Take out four wheel. You can see Aditya sir is taking out all these parts which I am saying. Next component is that you have to take out two axle, two metal axle. Take out two metal axle. Yes, take out two metal axle. Nice. Next component, take out one Arduino UNO board. Okay, great. Now, next component is that take out one L298 motor driver. Yeah, beta, I have already allowed all the students, those who are part, I have already allowed all the students. No one is there in the waiting room. Great. Now, take out screw, nut and screw box. Great. Now, these are few of the components. Then we need some more components. We'll take out later. So, yes, start with the step number one. In step number one, you have to attach. Okay, I think I already shared the building instructions PDF in the WhatsApp group. And here, Aditya, those who have made, I think most of the students have already made the basics part. That is very, very good. But those who have not completed the models, Aditya sir is showing how to complete the constructions part. Please, everyone, do it carefully. In the first part, you have to take out two C bar, two large C bar. Yes. Now, Aditya sir, please attach large C plate to the C bar. You have to keep it in the center. Everyone, please do it carefully. Yes. Take out four nuts and screw. Please observe the video very, very carefully. If you have any doubt in any of the steps, drop your questions in the chat box. And also you can do, you already have the PDF. Meanwhile, by the sides, you can also open the PDF. And you can also do one thing, instead of nuts, either you can keep it below the plates or you can keep it above the plates. It's your choice. Whatever steps you are finding it's easy to do, you can do it. And please tight the nut and screw tightly, because when you robot move, right, uh, it will dismantle. So you have to make it tight, very, very tight. I hope all of you are doing the same steps. Yes. So we have completed step number 1. For next steps, just take out two motor. For next step, just take out two BO motor. And then you have to attach BO motor to the C bar. Just see in the images. First, you need to unscrew the screw which is connected in the motor driver. Aditya sir, please show them. Screw is already connected like this. First, you have to unscrew this screw, right? And then like this. So unscrew both the screw and then connect this to the C bar. Yes. Attach the shaft. Now you have to use the same screw. Aditya sir, please align this vertical. I hope all of you are doing the same steps. And please tight the screw carefully, because this is the base model which we are making, and we'll continue this model in the next upcoming 2 sessions. Okay, so we have done with step number 2. Just wait. Those who have done till now, please drop yes in the chat box. Those who have done till step number 2, please drop yes in the chat box. I can see one group, 2, 3. Those who have done till step number 2, drop yes. Okay, great. I can see only 4 groups, 5. Okay, some students are still doing. No problem, beta. I'll wait. Don't worry. Those who have done, please type yes. Those who are still doing, please type no. Great. I can see most of the students has completed step number 2. Okay. 2 groups are still doing. Aditya sir, please open the building instructions in second systems. You can also follow the same steps. In any other laptop, please open the building instructions from content. Okay, I think most of the students, 90% group has completed till step number 2. Mac Warriors is still okay. Yes. Yes, beta. Those who are joined with Nishant Panchal, are you still doing? Okay. Now let's move to step number 3. For step number 3, take out 2 Excel. Take out 2 Excel. For step number 3, take out 2 Excel and connect in front of, yeah, yes. Insert in the C bar. Aditya sir, in the first, in the first hole. Insert in the first hole of C bar like this. You can observe Aditya sir is doing. Yes. Now after this, take out wheel. First connect wheel to the Excel. One wheel to the one Excel. Yes, like this. And then you have to fix this wheel with the help of V. Yes. Yes, fix this wheel with the help of Excel lock. First, you have to unscrew the Excel lock and then you have to fix it. You can observe Aditya sir is doing. You have to repeat the same steps for the next Excel. Those who have done, you have to repeat same steps for the next Excel. Tight the Excel log carefully. Yeah, I can see one group has done. Very good. No need to hurry. Do it very, very carefully. Okay, 2 schools has done. Great. 2 groups has done. Just wait for the next instructions. After this, after this, you need to take 2 more wheels and connect to the shaft of motor. Okay, I can see 5 groups has done. Great. You have to follow the same procedure. Those who have done, please drop yes so that I can see how many students has done or not. Yeah, great. And yes, I have one question for you. what if you are thinking my speed is like good for today's sessions, you can drop yes. Yes sir, I'm yes sir, you are going good. You can drop yes if speed is okay for you. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Okay, most of the students say my speed is okay. Yeah, great. So this is the step number third. Please everyone complete these steps. I think few of the groups are still doing. Don't worry, take your time. No problem, Dishita. Okay, I think all of you have completed step number 3. And yes, one more thing. After connecting wheel to the yes, after connecting wheel to the shaft, you have to use Excel log to fix the wheel. Nitish Dubey is already doing. Beta, okay, take your time, no problem. You can see after connecting all the 4 wheels, it should be move like this. Aditya sir, please do it again. It should be free like this, right? So you can check after connecting all the 4 wheels. Okay, most of the expense has completed. Great. Those who are still doing, please drop no. Or do one thing. Those who are still doing, please drop wait. Those who are still doing, please drop wait. Else I'll move to the next step. Okay. Okay. 2 groups are still doing. No problem. Take your time. 3 groups. 4. Okay. Okay. No problem. You can take your time. Okay. I can see 6 groups are still doing. No problem, beta. You can take your time. Please complete. After completing, please drop yes. I am waiting for 6 schools: MMPS, The Invincibles, Gurpreet Kaur, Surveen School, Nitish Dubey, and The Invincibles. So I am waiting for all the 6 groups. If you have completed, please drop yes. Okay. 1 group has done. Great. 2 has done. Great. 3, 4. Yes, I can see 4 groups have completed. 5, 6. Okay. 1 group is still doing. Please do it fast. Beta, screen is already shared. You can see screen is already pinned. Okay. Now, in the next step, take out one motor driver L298D. Take out motor driver from your kit. Aditya sir, please show them motor driver. This is the motor driver that you have to take out. But before that, there is one step which is not mentioned in the building instructions. What you have to do, take out any paper or any kind of bag, polythene or cover that you have to keep it over the C plate. Because if you directly keep Arduino and motor driver over the plate, it will damage your motor driver and Arduino. For that, Yes, you have to keep one paper over the C plate. Sorry, large plate. Aditya sir is showing you, you can see and observe. See, like this, you can take any paper and keep it on the C plate like this. If you have double-sided tape, you can stick there. Yes, Aditya sir, thank you so much. So everyone do this one. Take out one paper and place it over this large plate. Those who have placed paper over the large plate, please drop yes in the chat box. Those who have completed these steps, please drop yes in the. Don't place motor driver directly over the plate. It will damage your motor driver. Yes, some are still doing, some have done. Great. Or you can use tape like this and then you can, yeah. Yes. After this, okay, one is still doing. Okay, do it fast, please. Those who have done, please drop yes. Okay, the invincibles are still doing. No problem. Take your time. Okay. After this, just take out motor driver. Aditya sir, now remove Arduino UNO for now. Just place motor driver only. Now, what you have to do, you can see in your kit, the two wires is already connected on the motor. Two wires is already connected to the motor. Yes, this in your kit, this is already connected, right? The invincible, are you still doing step number 3? Please drop yes if you are still doing. Done? Okay, great. Nitish Dubey, are you still doing? Okay, wait. Okay, please do it. After this, what you have to do, two wires is connected to the motor, right? Aditya sir, please zoom the motor driver to show them. What you have to do, you can see there are two port, right? On the opposite sides. First, unscrew. First, you have to lose the screw like this. You have to lose the screw. Aditya sir, please do it. Yeah. First, you have to lose this screw like this. So you have to lose all the 4 screw, right? And then now you can see there is a gap. So you have to insert two wires of the motors. There is no positive negative. You can insert any in the any of the hole. There is no positive and negative. After inserting the wire, you have to tight the screw. Same the way Aditya sir is doing. Yes, after this, just tight the screw. Repeat the same step for motor 2. Please see carefully. The screen is already pinned. The constructions part is visible to the screen. Yes, Amay Agarwal. One doubt regarding the BO motor. Which wire or hole would be positive and which would be negative? Yes, beta, I already told you there is no positive and negative in the motor wires, right? It is neutral. There is no positive and negative in the motor. So you can connect in any of the hole. Aditya sir, please zoom out. Please take your model on the top. Nearby to this your camera. Nearby to your camera. Yes, you can see like this. Those who have done these steps, please drop yes in the chat box. Okay. Yes, I can see two groups has done. 3 groups. Who is this? Kripya wait kare. Please mention your name and school. Okay, great. I can see most of the students has done. Yeah, great. 6 group has done. Beta, those who have written this message, Kripya wait kare. Please drop your name and school name in the chat box, else I'll remove you. Yes. After these steps, now take out your Arduino UNO board. Take out your Arduino UNO board and place it over the paper. Yes, same like Aditya sir has done. Now, what you have to do, you have to just take out 4 male to female jumper wires. Take out 4 male to female jumper wires. I think all of you know which one is male to female jumper wires. Aditya sir, please keep it near to your camera. Yes, one end is are having metallic part and another end are having that hole. Now, what you have to do, as you can see in the motor driver, Dishita, just yes, Dishita, that I'm explaining. You can compare your model from here, right? Now, what you have to do, just take out 4. You have to insert 4 female end to the in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 pin of motor driver. For your reference, you can see the building instructions which I have shared. you have to connect 4 female end of jumper wire to pin number in 1, in 2, in 3 and in 4. And another side of same jumper wire to any 4 digital pin. For my reference, everyone connect to pin number 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see the digital pin 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have to connect male end of all these 4 jumper wire to pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Beta, first you have to connect motor, then tire. I think you have joined late. That's why you are asking this question. First you have to connect motor, then you have to connect wheel. Now you can see this. You have to connect this 4 jumper wire like this. Those who have done this step number 5, please drop yes in the chat box. Yes, I can see 2 groups has done. 3, 4. Those who are still doing, please drop no in the chat box or please drop wait. Those who are still doing, please drop wait in the chat box. Okay. I can see 2 groups are still doing. 3 groups. Done. Great. Gears before glory. Great name. Yes, I can see only 3 groups are still doing. No problem. Take your time. Done. Great. Yes. MMPS, Asan, the Invincibles, Tech Dad. Please, if you have completed, drop yes in the chat box. Great. Great. Okay. I think all of you have completed all these 5 steps. Now, in the next steps, what you have to do, just take out in the building instructions. You can already see we have connected motor driver digital pin to the Arduino UNO digital pins. Now we have to provide power to the motor driver and the Arduino UNO board. For that, you need some more jumper wire. So take out one male to male jumper wire. Take out one male to male jumper wire. Aditya sir, please show them which is male to male jumper wire. You can see both end are having metallic part. So this is your male to male jumper wire. Now insert one end of this male to male jumper wire to the ground of motor driver. In the motor driver, you can see there are 3 pins. Aditya sir, please show them. Please keep your model nearby to the camera. That focus on that 3 pins. Yes, we can see these 3 pins. Center one is the ground one, right? Center one is the ground one. So first unscrew the ground one and then you have to insert one end of jumper wire. and another end to the any ground pin of Arduino. You are having 3 ground pin on Arduino board, so you can insert in to any ground pin, any GND pin of Arduino UNO board. Those who have done these steps, please drop yes. Yes, I can see. Yes, great. It's a very simple steps. Yes, 4 groups has done. Those who have done, please drop yes, so that I can see. I have to move to the next steps. Yes, great. Okay. I think all of you have completed. Now, in the next steps, again take out one more male-to-male jumper wire. Again take out one more male-to-male jumper wire. Now, you have to connect. Aditya sir, please focus 12 volt of L298 motor driver, 12 volt pin off. You can see in motor driver, just besides the ground pin, there is one 12 volt pin. Yes, this one is the 12 volt pin. So insert one end of jumper wire to this pin and another end to the V in pin of Arduino UNO board. Okay, gears before glory. Have a doubt. Usually we would solder the wire to motor to secure it. Here it's not done. So how is the wire secured? Better see. It's up to you because what I'm doing. Suppose you are using this kit, right? If you solder the wire, maybe it will fixed, right? So in the motor driver, there is already a like screw point is there. So if you fix it, it will not lose, right? But in case of Arduino, if you want, rather than soldering, you can use glue gun, right? Because see, if you solder that wire, might be it will damage for further use. Okay, so that's why I'm just uh, explaining you the prototype how you can do. Okay, great. Again, I'm repeating this step. First, you need to connect one end of jumper wire to the 12 volt pin of motor driver and another end to the V in pin of Arduino UNO. Aditya sir, please show them which one is V in pin. Focus to the nearby the camera. Yes. In the power pin set, first pin is the V in pin. This one. So you have to connect another end. Yes, like this. Those who have done this steps, please drop yes in the chat box. Great. Great. I can see 5 groups has done. 6. I'm still counting because there are lots of approx 40 to 40 groups are there. Please respond each and every group because see, if you respond me, then I can observe. Yes, beta. Those who have joined with this tech ad, please don't create any kind of mischievous activities. I have your details. Yes, I'll complain to your school. Okay, great. Those who have done. Now, this is all about our hardware and the circuit part. Still not what we have did. We have made the basics 4-wheel chassis and we have connected the Arduino UNO board and the motor driver. After this, what we have to do, see, we have not plugged in the power because we use it later. Now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so let me share my screen. Those okay, but before that, I want to see all of your model. Everyone, please show me your model. Those who have completed, please show me your model. Yes, I can see Mac Warriors. Great, beta. Everyone, please show me your model. Yeah, great. I can see only one Mac Warriors. I want from each and everyone. Please show me your model. Then I'll move further. Yes, Lakshya Singh. I can see your model also. Yes, gears before glory. Great, beta. Everyone, yeah, Nitish Dubey. Great. I can see only 4 models. I request all of you, please show me your model. Yes, MMPS Asant, great. What about rest of the groups? If you are having kit, please drop yes or show me your model. Amay Agarwal sir, our camera is not working. Okay, no problem, beta. If your camera is not working, no problem. You can drop yes in the chat box. Okay, Dishita, same sir. No problem. You can drop yes if you have completed the model. Now see, I can see. I think there are approx 50 groups are there. So I want at least 45 yes in the chat box. Yes, great, great. Okay, now we are good to go with the coding part. So till now, what we have did, let me quickly revise. We have just made the some basics model with the help of mechanzo 10 plus kit. We have connected motor driver with the motors and Arduino to the motor driver. After this, we'll write down the code and then we'll move further for the output. So just wait. It's a very basic code part that I'm going to use today. Okay, okay, I'm muted. Sorry. Okay, see, I'm saying like I have taken four variables for four motor pins. As you know, you have connected the four pins of motor driver to the Arduino UNO digital pins, which is pin number 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then here I have taken int data types because these are the integer, and to declare or to define any kind of integer data, you have to start with int data types, right? That's why I have taken int. The full form of int is integer. And then here I have declared four variable: left motor forward, left motor backward, right motor forward, and right motor backward. Now I have one question to ask. Is this variable name fixed or you can give any name? Please drop your answer in the chat box. Any name, great. Any. Okay, fine. I'm expecting answer from each and everyone. Okay, great. So I think all of you know. Yes, great. Correct answer. It means it's a user defined variable. What do you mean by user defines? We are the users, right? It means you can give any name to the variable, but always give the relevant name because we have used this pin for the motor, right? That's why I have given left motor. And you know, two pins, one is for forward, one is for backward. Same for the other motor, one is for forward, one is for backward. That's why here I have given left motor forward, left motor backward, right motor forward, and right motor backward. So I think, okay, so those first complete these four steps, then we'll move further. No need to write this comment. I have just written for your convenience. Let me remove this one. Everyone, please copy the first 4 lines. And if you are having any doubt in the first 4 lines, please drop your question in the chat box. Written great. Or those who are not able to write, if your typing is speed is slow, I am just giving you the code in the chat box. The first 4 lines. You can copy the 4 lines from the chat box. And those who have done till these 4 lines, please drop yes in the chat box. Those who have written all the 4 lines, please drop yes. Okay, done. Beta, yes, gears before glory. You can use any material to find out the solutions of the problem at the journal route, right? Okay, yes, yes. Most of the students has completed. Great. Now let's sorry quickly move to the next steps. So this is the declaration part. Till now, what we have did, we have declared the variable in the for the motor driver pins. Now, after this, as I told you in the yesterday class, we have 2 predefined functions. One is the setup function and one is the loop function. In the setup function, you have to initialize some basics functionality of your code, right? Like we have used motor. So you have to declare, you have to define for the pin, either pin behave as an output pin or as an input pin. So now drop your answer in the chat box. Motor is input device or output device? Please drop input or output. Output. Okay. Output. 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 Yeah, great. I think all of you know the answer. Great. It's a very simple question. So motor is an output device. Okay. Now one more thing. As I told you in the yesterday class, we have used one predefined functions in the pin mode, which is used to declare either a variable is a output pin or as a input pin. And whenever you are defining any output or input, you have to keep it in the capital letter because it is predefined. We are the user, we can't change, right? So it's a predefined, so you have to keep it out in a capital letter. And one more thing, you can see I have taken the same name which I have declared earlier in the code, right? So same way you have to define all the 4 pin as a output pin, right? Which is in the setup function. And one more thing, yesterday class, most of the students have asked, sir, why I have take this curly braces? Because in this C++ language, whenever you are creating any function, you have to start with the curly braces and you have to end the function with the curly braces. All the code you have to write inside this curly braces, right? I hope this clears to all of you. So I'm giving you this white setup code in the chat box. Please copy and then paste. And those who have done, please drop yes in the chat box. Yes, great. I can see yes. And yesterday, I only got 6 videos from this B2 group. Please record your video, each and every student, and share in the form. Or you can also share in the WhatsApp group. 3 groups has done. Take your time, don't worry. 4 has done. Those who are still doing, no problem, take your time. Yes, Mega, I'll share the recording. I'll try to share the recording. Don't worry. Those who have done, please drop yes in the chat box. After receiving your confirmations, I'll move further. Yes, done, done. Okay, I can see only I can see response from only 8 groups. 9 groups, great. Everyone, please, beta Mac warriors, please wait for other groups. After this, we'll move to the loop part. Okay, great. Okay, let's move to the next part. So let me revise quickly. Till now we have declared all the 4 variables of motor driver, and then we have declared either it is an input pin or output pin. Now let's move to the loop. So yesterday I have explained what is loop, but again I want to ask from you. Please tell me what is loop in technical word. Please tell me what is loop. Repetitions of command. Great. Anyone else? What is loop? Iteration of given code. Great. Correct. What about rest of the students? Repeat a command. Okay. Repetitions of command. Yeah, great. So I think this is clear to all of you. This loop functions. Whatever code will keep it inside this loop, it will run for unlimited number of time till the condition is true. Right? Sorry. Now, so let's write the code for our board to move forward, backward, right, left, and stop. So today we'll focus on these 5 movement: forward, backward movement, right movement, light movement, and let's see how we can stop the board. So first, start with the forward. Here I have commented this one because these 4 lines to move your board forward. So as I explained you in the yesterday class, as you told me, motor is an output device, right? Okay, it means we are giving something to the motor. If you are giving some command to move the motor, it means you are giving something, and you have connected the pin of this motor to the digital pin. It means we are sending digital signal. Which signal we are sending? Digital signals. So that's why here I have written digital right, right? Okay, as I told you, to turn on any digital device, you have to make it high, and to turn it off, you have to make it low. Instead of high, you can write 1 also, right? And instead of low, you can type 0 also. It's your choice. Okay, it's up to you. After this, first what I'm going, as I told you, I'm just making moving my robot to the forward direction. So here you can see I have declared 2 pin for forward, this one left motor forward and right motor forward, and 2 pins for backward, left motor backward and right motor backward. So here what I'll do, I'll just write left motor forward, the name which we have mentioned earlier, here as a high, and then backward to low. Same for the another motor, right motor forward high and right motor backward low. So in this way, your robot will move forward directions. After this, you have to make it, you have to pass the delay, right? Because when you not pass the delay, it will not take the next command, right? So that's why you have to mention the delay, because you are writing all the code inside the loop. So I'm giving you this part in the chat box. Those who have done, please drop yes in the chat box. After this, we'll move to the next code. Great. 2 groups has done. Good. Aditya sir, please write all the code. After this, we'll show the students the working models. Yes, Madhav Gupta. Is it important to put delay? Yes, beta. See, why it is important to put delay? Because you are working in the loop, right? If you not put any delay, your code will not work, because it's continuously, see, after forward it will go backward without any delay. So you can't observe the movement. That's why it is important to provide delay. Mac Warrior, sir, we can't copy from the chat box. Beta, it's very simple. Just select and copy. Yes, Dishita, just wait. Wait, this is the previous code. I already shared in the chat box. You can check from the chat box also. This is the declaration part. This is the initialization part. And this is the code for forward. Those who have done, please drop yes in the chat box. After receiving confirmations from your side, I'll move further. Please scroll down. Yes, beta, just wait. Wait for other groups, then we'll move further. I'm observing every time I receive response. Firstly, I receive the response from Gears Before Glory and Amay Agarwal. These two groups are very much active. I can see. I'm expecting response from each all of you. Please type yes in the chat box if you have completed the code for forward. Yes, okay. Great. Let's move to the backward part. See, now who will tell me in the chat box what we have to change if I want to move, make this code for the backward movement? Please drop in the chat box. What we have to do? It's very simple. Forward high to low. Vice versa. Great. Correct answer. What you have to do? Yes, beta Laksh, I'll share the code in the chat box. So to make it backward, you have to just reverse it. You have to make forward low, backward high. Same for the right motor, forward. Sorry. Forward low and backward high. I have shared the code in the chat box. Those who have done, please type yes in the chat box. Beta, Lakshya, I have already shared the code. Okay, wait. Don't worry, at the end, I'll share complete code in the chat box. Just wait for some time. Right now, I'm sending partly code. At the end, I'll share whole code. Those who have done till backward code, please drop yes in the chat box. Done. Great. I'm expecting response from all of you. Please drop yes in the chat box. See, I have already shared code in the chat box. It's very easy to copy and paste. Done. Okay, let's move further. So till now we have made the code for forward and we have written the code for backward. After this, who will tell me what we need to change to make it left side? What we need to do, please drop your answer in the chat box. If I want to move our bot to the left side, what we need to change? For left, make left forward and back high and others low. Okay, well try. Gears Before Glory. Left motor high. Better complete. Just try. It's very simple. I already explained all the codes. Okay, let me give you. Now you can see my code. What I have did, see, just observe these two are your wheels. You need to make it left side. It means you have to rotate one forward and one backward. You can see here, forward low, backward high. And to the next right motor, forward high and backward low. So it will allow to rotate your bot to the left hand side, right? Same for the right hand. Right hand, you have to just make it vice versa. left motor forward high, backward low, and right motor forward low and backward high. You can just see my hand. If you want to make it move left hand side like this, right? You can observe. On for right hand side, you can just reverse it. Okay. And then to stop your robot, you have to make all the pins low. So this is the complete code to move your bot forward, backward, right hand side, left hand side, and stop. So now I am sharing complete code in the chat box. Those who have not done, please copy. Just 1 second. Okay, so I'm not able to send complete code. First, I'm sharing you the loop part. Dishita sir, we are not able to copy from chat box. Okay. If you're not able to copy from the chat box, then I can do one thing. See, after this class, I'll share this code in the WhatsApp group also. But you have the time. If you want, you can copy from the screen. This is for backward. This is for left. This is for the right motor. I'm sharing one by one. And this is to stop the robot. So I have shared all the code in the chat box. Please copy from there. Now, till now, we have completed the hardware part, we have completed the electronics part, and then we have completed the coding part. I'll wait for you for 5 minutes to complete each and everything. Then we'll move to the power part. Those who have complete till now, please drop yes in the chat box. Those who have done, please drop yes in the chat box. I can see only one group. Two schools has done. Great, Amay Agarwal. Yes, you have to write complete code. Okay, gears before glory. Great. Those who have done, please type yes in the chat box. I can only see 3 response. Four group has done. I am expecting response from each and everyone. Please, okay, sir, what is digital write? Beta, digital write is a predefined keyword which is used to write anything to the output device. Suppose if you want to turn on the LED, it means you are sending digital signal. Or if you are turning on the motor, you are sending the digital signal, right? That's why we have to write digital write. Is it clear to all? Yes. Okay. Those who have done, please drop yes. Yes. Okay. Now let's move to the next part. So till now, what we have did, we have completed all the mechanical parts, electronics part, and the coding part. Now it's time for the show time. It's show time. It means now you have to show me the output. How? So Aditya sir, please show them how to connect 12. I think in your kit there is already 12 volt 12 volt power adapter, right? That is get. So what you have to do, Aditya sir? Please show your screen. First, okay, wait one thing. First, what you have to do before moving to the power, see everyone, please see my screen. You need to compile this code, right? So how you can do? You can see below this file option, there is one symbol to verify the code. So you have to click on this verify and you have to wait till done compiling. You can see in my case, it's saying done compiling. It means everything is correct. There is no error in my code. So everyone, please compile your code, and if it is completed, like it's saying done compiling, please drop yes in the chat box. Yes, tick mark to compile. Yes, gears before glory. Tick mark to compile the code. Click on the tick mark, it will compile your code. And after successful compilation, it will say done compiling below. No, Madhav, you have to use Arduino ID for the coding part. Lakshya, whole code is very large, so I can't share in the chat box. So I'll do one thing. I'll share in the WhatsApp group. Okay, wait everyone. So after compiling the code, what you have to do? Again, I'm repeating the same steps. You have to go to the tools and then you have to go to the port and then you have to select the communication port. Now you can see in my case, there are multiple ports are there. COM14, COM15, COM3. So how can I decide which one, at which port our Arduino UNO board is connected? So in that case, what you can do, in your computer, laptop or system, you can find one option, device manager. If my screen is visible, and in the device manager, you will see there is an option of ports. So click on ports and here you can see my USB serial is connected to COM3, right? So in this way, you can decide at which port your USB cable is connected. So here, go to the tools and then port and then COM3. Now we have selected the board. After this, just next to this tick sign, there is an arrow sign, which is used to upload the code to the Arduino UNO board. So everyone, connect your board with the USB cable and then upload. And wait till it is saying done uploading. After this part, now you can see Aditya sir screen is ready. What you have to do, in your Arduino UNO board, you have to connect. Okay, I think some students has already. Now see, you have to apply. Now after uploading the code, remove the USB cable. After uploading the code, remove the USB cable and connect 12-volt power adapter to the power port of Arduino. Connect 12-volt power adapter to the power port of Arduino. Aditya sir, please do the same. Remove this USB cable after uploading. And then you have to connect 12-volt power adapter to the power port of Arduino UNO. Please show them which is power port. This black one is the power port. Aditya sir, do you have a 12-volt adapter? Please use that adapter. Directly connect. Yes, that you have to directly connect to the power port of Arduino UNO. Yes, in this way, you can directly connect. And after successful uploading, you can see your board is moving forward for 1 second, backward for 1 second, right for 1 second, and left for 1 second. After, it will stop for 1 second. beta, not adapter. In your kit you are having this one, battery holder. This is the battery holder. You have to insert 6 cell in this one, and after inserting the cell you have to connect this to the power port of Arduino. No, we don't have to give the command from the terminal. After the code which I have shown you, after uploading the code, your bot will start moving. Okay. See, what you have to do, you are having this, this battery holder in your mechanzo 10 plus kit. You have to insert 6 cells over there. After inserting the cell, you have to connect this to the power port of Arduino. Right? You have to connect this to the power port of Arduino, and then your bot will start moving. If you for now, if you are not having cell, you can arrange it. Okay, and then you can, after inserting the cell, you can observe your bot will start moving. Those who are having the cell, you can start, you can plug in the power cable, and then you can see the movement. Yes, beta Laksh, I'll share the code in the group. Those who have done, please drop yes in the chat box. Those who have done. Okay, I can see. Yeah, great. And if you find any difficulties in today's sessions, because I make it very light in today's sessions, very small basic things. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. In hardware part, in mechanical part, in software part, in any of the part. Those who have, okay, please repeat the ending. But see, at the end, what we have did, we have just uploaded the code in the Arduino UNO, right? After uploading the code, what we have did, let me show you. This is the code that we have written, right? And then you have to select the port from here, and then with the help of this command, this symbol, upload symbol, arrow key, you have to upload the code. Okay, after successful uploading, you can see it is saying done uploading. After uploading, you can do one thing. You can use this power adapter. You can use this battery holder from your kit. You have to insert 6 cells over there, and then you have to connect this to the power port of this Arduino UNO, like this, right? So this is the complete process that you have to repeat. Now, those who are having any doubt, because this is all from my side for today's sessions, I can guess if your students are not having cell with you, so you can arrange the cell. Okay, because, and one more thing, don't dismantle the model after the session, because in the next class, in tomorrow's session, we are going to use, okay, I can see Mac Warriors. I can see your bot is moving. Great, beta. Great. Those uh, whose bots are working, please show me your models to rest of the group also. And one more thing, please don't dismantle your model, because in that tomorrow session, mentoring session, we are going to use the same bot. So don't dismantle your model. Okay, Amay, we are not having cells. Beta, no problem. If you are not having cells, you can arrange the cells today, and you can check your bot. In the next mentoring session tomorrow, we'll use Bluetooth mobile application. So in today's session, please take permission from your schools and arrange at least 1 or 2 mobile phone with application. Because in tomorrow's session, we are going to control same board with the help of mobile applications. Dishita, sir, journals will be in Bombay. Beta, it's based on your location, because as you know, we are having 8 locations for journal round, right? So based on your locations, where is where you are residing? Delhi. Beta, most probably your location will be Delhi. Now everyone, if you are having any doubt related to today's session, please drop your question in the chat box. Or okay, now I want honest feedback from you all. How was the session, today's session? Is it easy or tough? Please drop in the chat box. How was today's session? Easy or tough? Medium. Okay. Good. Thank you, Lakshay. Easy and productive. Very good. Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you for the comment. In between, if you find any kind of difficulties, you can tell me. I'll make it slow. So I think most of the students has completed the concepts for today's sessions. And again, I'm repeating. Okay, today's session is easy than yesterday. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, for next session, for tomorrow session, I have two prerequisites for you. Please arrange 6 cells and also please arrange at least 1 or 2 mobile phone with applications, right? It will help you to see the output also during the classroom. Vedant, super. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. See, I told you I'm your mentor. I'll help you. I'll guide you. And one more thing, please tell me who has planned to buy the t-shirt. कौन कौन है जो मेरी टीम में आ रहे टी शर्ट पहन के? Okay, Laksh, great. Those who are okay, please drop yes. We all, I want all students, right? Because I want all of you to look like an innovator. Great, great. And please fill the form by today or by tomorrow, before tomorrow, because you'll get the discount. Great. Thank you so much. So this is all from my side. And one more thing. Yesterday I received only 5 videos. Today I'm expecting at least 20 to 25 videos. So please upload your videos because we'll select 5 top students at the end and we'll reward you for this also. Yes, beta, I'll send all the code in the WhatsApp group. After this session, I'll send all the code. Don't worry. If you are having any doubt, please ask. Okay, so this is all from my side. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. At least say bye in the group. Bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Okay, beta. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Prepare yourself and please arrange the prerequisites which I have explained today. Okay, beta. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.